Hi, I'm Jesse Krier from K2 Ranch in Clayton, Wisconsin. Welcome to the Greatmats Horse Training Series. So today we're going to take this filly and we're going to expose her to obstacles. There's a bunch of obstacles here, and there's some things that she's done here before and there's some things she has not done. When I bring them here the first time, we don't blow her mind up with the first time seeing everything. Today she's ready to see a few more things, and it's just keeping her mind right and keeping her and paying attention to what the obstacle is, and we're going to go through it together. So one of the first steps we're going to do is we're going to get her to step over some logs. Seems pretty trivial, but getting a young 2-year-old filly to pay attention and look at these and step over them can be a little cumbersome for her. So when we approach something like this, we don't just kick, and yeah. It's let her look at them, let her survey the situation, and then ask her to take a step. Giving her face, keeping her in between our reins, keeping her at the obstacle, and letting her look at them and go. Once we've accomplished something simple like that, we can go into these next logs on this windmill. The more advanced they are, the higher up the logs will go. She's wanting to drift a little bit. We'll just keep her between our reins like we did before. Picking her up where we need to. And now the second time around, we'll increase it a little bit and ask her to step up a little higher. Atta girl. Once she's done that, then we'll ask her to the tire. See if she can step up there. Let her look at it. Ask for a little more encouragement. Hind feet's a big oomph. Good girl. Once she's done something like that, then we'll come through these other logs at just another added obstacle. Another obstacle will be my hat hitting the branches. That's good for her. You can tell she's done that one before, but she did good with it. This is Jesse Krier, and you've been watching the Greatmats Horse Training Series.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.